ordinance king. Ukraine want me. Putin's talking about actually hiring me just to go and find some T-34s for him so we can drive them through.
That's going to have to be the soundbite again, that.
What, T-34s?
Well, just that rant then.
Oh dude, that's got the thingy on the top.
Look at that.
Alarm and stuff.
Look at that. That's the second fire engine it's turned up.
Is that a magnet?
It's not a magnet on top. Jesus Christ. What the hell? What are they doing?
In the wilds of Eccles, here we are, with danger in every step of the place. Look.
Dog poop. Yeah. It's there. They've cordoned off down there. They've cordoned off down there, and they've cordoned off down there.
I'm not sure it's safer here. It might be more dangerous with all this around.
All our equipment.
No, I guess landmines.
The dog
landmines everywhere.
Yeah, landmines. Suppose I can put a.
Okay, so you got to imagine this. I'm looking in my crud. You know, check your crud. Everybody's got to check your crud. So I started checking my crud. Ooh.
Right, it was a crud ball. There's the crud off it. And it's turned into that.
And it is a.
Right,
the plug's there.
Right, be careful though.
I'm being super careful.
I know.
And we're attached there where your spoon was. So it's a Mills, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Right.
Look what we pulled out the canal. I was hoping I'd never find one of them fuckers intact. It wouldn't be so bad if you could actually, you know, if you could see the bottom was empty and take it home, it's great, isn't it? But unfortunately, it's got the top on it, it's got oxidisation at the top.
Yep, right, time to make a phone call.
We pulled out earlier on in the week, so we came back to clear, and that's all we never expected to find something. Not in this side, we were cleaned up the jacket, the squash tips were made here, and then you find a Mills. It happened. Oh, that happened to me before. We're normally pretty careful.
When he says we're normally pretty careful, it means...
We're normally pretty careful.
No, what he means is, we
I don't
as in,
hit him with a hammer, that's what you mean.
No, it means we as in, like, the rest of the team. He's not careful at all.
Hitting it with a hammer.
How much stuff has he pulled out and has been here? 13 weeks, 14 weeks?
Yeah. I'm the ordinance king. Ukraine want me. Putin's talking about actually hiring me just to go and find some T-34s for him so we can drive them through.
That's going to have to be the soundbite again, that.
What, T-34s?
Well, just that rant then.
I wonder if we ever pull a T-34.
That's the Terminator, isn't it? A T-34.
No, the T-34 is a little one.
Hey, Bob, get on the chopper. Yeah, there we go.
Never expected this one.
See that big building there? That's a big block of flats there.
Oh, they're going to have to all get everybody out. Everyone's going to hate us.
Oh, no.
Everyone's going to hate us so much.
I know.
Oh, there's nothing live in Springfield.
About 50 people.
Nothing live there.
Couple of dogs. See that man at the top there? Can you see him? I don't know if you can see him. He's going to have to get out.
Got a long way to go.
Sorry. I'm a bit miffed because I was enjoying fishing. We've gone mudlarking after this, but
I'm a bit miffed because I honestly thought I'd have my first grenade.
you did have your first grenade.
Yeah, but I can't take that one.
You can't take it home now.
I want a hollow one. I don't want one that's not hollow.
I would say where you need to go to get, because I know where two hollow ones.
If anybody wants a hollow one, I've got a
ones.
full one, and I'll swap you.
What? You got what?
I've got a full one.
Full grenade?
So if somebody's got a hollow one,
how have you got a full grenade?
I've got one. Run around there now. Get it?
Yeah, but
run away.
Okay.
They forgot to tape down there, didn't they?
It's a fence.
Oh, they're coming out to police are coming
I know where there's two hollow ones been found, but I'm not going to tell you.
Where?
I'll tell you in a minute. I'll tell you in a minute.
I've not got a hollow
I don't think there's any left, but...
And that just makes me annoyed
Oh,
now.
three hollow ones actually. It's a place Two locations in one place. So, but yeah. I'll tell you when the camera's on.
Oh, okay.
I'm not put it on camera. Everyone will be there.
Yeah, well, everybody were going to come here. That's the problem, isn't it? We're thinking we're clearing it up. You won't find anything now. It's sorted, and you're not going to find nothing. Just shows you. Check your crud.
Aye.
Oh, don't. I wish I would check my crud. Who says check your crud?
Peakies.
Oh no, it's not offence.
No, it's Peakies.
Peakers.
Yes,
Well, tell them they're wrong. This wouldn't have happened. Everything would have been fine. Check your crud. Check it with a piece of 3
Yeah, but then the scrap man would have gone on with it. Cause
Can't believe I was hitting a hand grenade with a piece of iron.
it was a big ball. I saw it come out. It was a big ball of crud.
Like,
It was massive.
how big?
Yeah, big.
It was a geode.
Can you find geodes in
You find geodes in canals.
Can you?
Yeah,
I've heard-
grenade geodes.
I've heard you find other stuff in canals as well.
Ducks.
I think it's been long enough. Yeah, you find meteors, can't you?
Oh, you can find meteors. It looked like a meteor. I was actually convinced it was at first. It could have been a meteor. If it was a meteor, there wouldn't have been as much problem, would there? But it'd have been heavier. Meteor would have been heavier.
Yeah,
A meteorite.
you're right about that.
Right. Comet.
Blitzen, Cupid. Oh no, yeah, sorry.
Brian Cox. We could have done with him. Is this meteor on the canal bank? High in the sky, it comes down and splashes in the canal.
There we go. Have a Tory burp. I'll have to apologise for that. I've been recently. Yeah, she burps like a man.
There's a Labour burp slightly light.
Oh, hang on, I have to get the policemen's. Yeah, policemen's. There's a car. They've blocked the road off. There's a car wanting to come out. Yeah, yeah. I've been burping. Sorry, recently on my videos on it. I've no idea when this is going to come out. So, oh my God. At least I didn't do it. I didn't want to pull one out. 1 hour, 2 hour dip. We were at a place, another little dock further up, where we thought they might find tools and stuff, but the mud's too deep. So we moved. Let's have a quick little dip around here. We're getting some heavy stuff, like some big heavy like blocks of cast iron and stuff. They're good to weigh in, aren't they? But no, the airport's going out. But anyway.
Not good for your hand. It's just not good.
Anyway, cheers for watching. Bye! Smell you later.